Our top 5. Best outlet tester. One number product. Klein Tools RT210 outlet tester. The Klein Tools RT210 is a decent GFCI tester, and it comes at a reasonable price. Now the selling point of this device is that it doesn't come at a crazy price point, and it doesn't fail to provide the very basic features that everyone looks for. This device is capable of detecting the common problems that you may come across with your GFCI outlet circuit. The tester comes with a push-to-function button that makes the process much easier. Its 3-pin plug is built on top of the device, and this will help you work with it easily as most GFCI outlets are built on the lower portion of a wall. However, if the outlet is built higher than you, then you'll face some problems using it as the device will face upwards. Other than that, this device is perfect. It comes with a great build quality that will keep the device the same as new, even with a 6.6-foot drop. The operating temperature of this device is 040 degrees Celsius, which is considered standard. Also, it's made for the standard GFCI outlets that come with a 3-pin construction. The nominal voltage of this device is 110-125 volt, and the frequency ranges from 50 to 60 Hz. Two number product. Sperry Instruments voltage tester. The Sperry KWheat 6302 is the first product that we'll review, as it's our favorite for the best GFCI tester title. This one is relatively a bit more expensive than most other electric socket testers out there, but it provides features that make it worth buying. It comes with high-quality ABS housing that's covered by molded rubber. The sides of the rubber are textured to provide a better grip, and there are 3 LEDs at the bottom. There's an indicator chart on the device itself, and this explains what each LED light pattern means. You'll be able to detect whether the circuit is okay or not, and if not, what's the exact problem with it following this chart. The lights on this device are extremely bright, and they are color-coded. No matter how you're holding the device, you'll always be able to get a perfect reading from it. It comes with a CAT rating of 300 volts, and even a 10-foot drop or 250 pounds pressure won't damage it. These are compatible with any standard GFCI outlets that usually come with a 3-pin connection and are 120-volt AC outlets. Three number product. KWheat outlet tester. If you're looking for an electrical receptacle tester that offers every feature that you can get from these devices, then the one from KWheat will suit you best. Unlike most other testing devices, this device will show you every possible parameter, which is rare to find in a budget device. The tester comes with an off/on button that makes the process safer and much more intuitive. There are 3 bright LED red lights on top of the device, and these will help you determine the condition of the circuit. Just below the LEDs, there's an LCD display screen that will show the voltage. These are tested to be accurate, which is a relief. Just beneath the display panel, you'll find an entire chart dedicated to explaining what the LED light patterns mean. This will help you understand the LED indications much easily. The display panel is quite bright, so you won't face any problem using this device in the dark, which makes it even more suitable. The operating voltage of this device spans from 48 volts to 250 volts, and the variable frequency ranges from 45 Hz to 65 Hz. It can operate in any condition between 0 degree to 40 degree temperature, and it can be stored between 10 degree to 50 degree Celsius temperature. Four number product. Amprobe ST102B outlet tester. The Amprobe ST102B is a high-quality GFCI tester that comes with a higher price tag than some other devices. Despite being a bit more expensive than some other testers, this one's very affordable and won't break your bank. You'll be able to check both standards as well as GFCI outlets with the help of this tester. It will check the wiring condition of the outlet and determine whether there is any problem with it or not. If there is a problem, you'll be informed of the LED indicators. The device comes at a bright red finish and a standard design. There's a button at the very middle of this device, and this button will help you turn the device on and off. There's a chart depicting the meanings of different LED light patterns, and this will help you determine the exact problem of the circuit. However, it must be mentioned that it will indicate only one problem at a time. If there are multiple, you'll only get to see the rest as soon as you fix the indicated one. This item weighs only 0.8 ounces, making it one of the lightest testers out there. It's easy to use as you can plug it in the outlet like any other device. The device is quite light as well, and overall, it's one of the easiest to work with. Number product. Gardner Bender Outlet Tester. Last but not least, we have the Gardner Bender GFCI 3501 tester. This one offers the same features as the other available AC receptacle testers, but it comes at a much lower price than the rest. This is a compact device, and it's very suitable for those with smaller pumps. The product comes with a bit flimsy yet functioning button. You'll find a label explaining different indicator patterns. With the help of this label, you'll be able to determine the exact problem that the GFCI outlet circuit is suffering from. It also comes in two colors, and you'll be able to choose between red and black. Another great thing about this product is that it can be used with an extension cord. There are a lot of devices like this that struggle to reach tight spaces. This one can do that easily with the help of extensions. The bottom of this device comes with 3 LED indicator lights. These indicators will help you understand what's wrong with the circuit, and they can detect a total of 6 problems. However, they will display the problems one at a time. This tester is for those who want great features out of a cheap tester. It'll feel a bit cheap and flimsy, but the build quality is quite good, and it gets the job done. Thanks for watching this video.